Welcome to Brussels Biobank, a nice cooperation between VUB and UZB Brussels. We store a wide range of human body material and its associated data, giving access to researchers. Our collection includes a wide range of biological material, such as blood, urine, tissues and cells. We have over 50 ultra-low temperature freezers, where every sample is registered and fully traceable in our biobank system. To protect sample integrity, we run a 24-hour on-call system with backups. Access to our facility is limited to authorized personnel, so it's very secure. Our biobank offers important collections, such as samples from the Belgian Diabetic Registry, a tumor bank, and samples for medical assisted reproduction. All samples end up in the medical laboratory, where samples are received, processed, and pseudo-anonymized to ensure traceability. Doctors can request samples through a digital application form, so we can process the request quickly and accurately. We work closely with hospitals and other partners in Belgium and beyond, always keeping high standards for sample integrity and data management. We are dedicated to improve our quality management system, as proven in our high IGLO score in 2024. We are also aiming for an ISO accreditation in 2025. Brussels Biobank is a secure and well-organized environment supporting biomedical research.